Today I'm making a really fun, tasty, and spooky punch for Halloween. Starting out with a package of raspberries that I'm smushing up to make guts. I'm gonna take, this is a can of lychees, and I've got some blueberries. What we're gonna do is take one lychee, and in that opening, take a blueberry. Just pop that in, like that. Looks like an eyeball. Go ahead and do a few more. That blueberry, just like that. Doesn't that look creepy already? Okay, so to this, we're gonna be adding, this is blueberry juice. And some cherry juice. It's looking pretty bloody already. We're gonna add some cran grape to that. Add some sweetness, because those juices were unsweetened. Then our last ingredient is, you can use regular Sprite, lemon lime soda, but I found this chill cherry. Add that in there as well for some bubbles. Give this a quick stir with these like raspberry guts inside. I'm going to take a glass. I'm going to take one of these eyeballs that are down here. That one looks good. Take a second one. I'm going to put this right into that bowl. Add some more guts. Ooh, creepy. Mmm. Delicious.